Stop before you waste money on another robot vacuum that gets stuck under your couch. Watch this first. Most robots promise intelligent cleaning. Most robots lie. Today, analyze the top 5 robot vacuums that actually deliver on that promise. Number 1 cleans in precision grids while competitors bounce around like confused toys. Stay until the end for the honest breakdown on which one actually fits your home. All links in the description. Let's get into it. Number 5. The Roborock Q10S5 Plus answers one question busy households keep asking. What if cleaning actually happened without you? The 10,000 Pascal Hyperforce suction pulls embedded pet hair and debris from carpets, hardwood, and tight crevices. That's nearly triple what budget robots deliver. The Viberize 2.0 mopping system scrubs floors 3,000 times per minute using sonic vibration. When it detects carpet, the mop lifts 8 mm automatically. No wet rugs, no intervention. The dual anti-tangle system combines jaw scraper comb brush with specialized side brush. Pet owners know the pain of cutting hair from brushes weekly. This eliminates that chore. The 2.7-liter self-emptying station handles 70 days of debris before you touch it. LiDAR navigation maps multiple floors with precision, while reactive tech obstacle avoidance dodges cables and toys. Number 4. The iRobot Roomba 105 Vac delivers what the brand built its reputation on: reliability without complexity. The 70x powerlifting suction compared to earlier Roomba models pulls dirt and dust bunnies from carpets and hard floors. The 3-stage cleaning system combines a multi-surface brush with edge-sweeping brush for wall-to-wall coverage. Clearview LiDAR navigation maps your home quickly, steering around obstacles while specialized sensors prevent stair tumbles. The robot cleans in neat rows rather than random patterns, efficient coverage, not wasted passes. The auto-empty dock handles 75 days of debris. The bag traps 99% of allergens down to 0.7 microns, no dust cloud when swapping bags. Spot cleaning mode targets high-traffic messes for up to 5 minutes of concentrated passes. Control via app, voice assistant, or simple button press. The sleek design blends with modern decor rather than screaming robot live gear. Check the description for the buy link. Number 3. The DREAME D10 Plus Gen 2 prioritizes extended autonomy over flashy features. 90 days of hands-free cleaning before you touch it. The 4-liter dust bag capacity outlasts competitors by weeks. The automatic dust collection system eliminates manual emptying routines that interrupt your schedule. 6,000 Pascal Vormax suction with 4 customizable levels handles embedded pet hair and debris. The floating rubber brush minimizes tangling, a genuine advantage for homes with long-haired pets or families. The 2-in-1 system combines vacuuming with adjustable mopping. The 150 milliliters water tank offers 3 flow settings, letting you control moisture levels based on floor type without wasting water or oversaturating wood. Smart Pathfinder technology generates editable maps with precision obstacle avoidance. Multi-floor mapping through the DREAME Home app lets you set no-mop zones and virtual boundaries for delicate surfaces. 285-minute battery runtime covers larger homes in single sessions. Number 2. The Lefant M210 solves the problem traditional robot vacuums ignore: furniture clearance. At 2.99 inches tall with an 11-inch diameter, this slim profile slides under low-clearance sofas, beds, and cabinets where standard robots get stuck. High coverage in spaces other models abandon. The brushless suction port design eliminates roller brush tangling entirely. Pet hair and dirt flow directly into the 500 milliliters dustbin without wrapping around bristles. No weekly maintenance cutting hair from brushes. 6 cleaning modes via the Lefant app include zigzag, random, spot, edge, scheduled, and manual control. Schedule cleaning sessions before you leave, and floors stay maintained without intervention. Voice control through Alexa or Google Assistant adds convenience. Upgraded FreeMove technology 3.0 uses 6D anti-collision infrared sensors to detect stuck areas and adjust paths automatically. Lithium iron phosphate battery delivers 120 minutes of runtime in low suction mode. This targets homes prioritizing furniture access over maximum suction power. Number 1. The Shark AI Ultra addresses the problem most robot vacuums pretend doesn't exist: Mist spots disguised as cleaned floors. Matrix Clean technology uses precision grid patterns to make multiple passes over the same area. Not random bouncing. Not single pass coverage. Deliberate overlapping strokes that capture what one pass misses. The self-cleaning brush roll prevents hair wrap while lifting debris from carpets and hard floors. Pet owners understand the frustration of cutting tangled fur from rollers weekly. This technology eliminates that maintenance cycle. 360-degree LiDAR vision maps your space and adapts to daily changes, navigating accurately even in darkness. Object detection prevents collisions with toys, cables, and furniture legs. The bagless XL self-empty base holds 60 days of dirt without disposal bags. No recurring costs for proprietary bag replacements. Which one should you buy? Here's the breakdown. Best overall performance. Number 1, Shark AI Ultra. Matrix Clean multipass technology ensures no missed spots. Self-cleaning brush roll and bagless 60-day capacity eliminate recurring maintenance headaches. Best for pet owners. Number 5, Roborock Q10S5 Plus. The 10,000 Pascal suction combined with dual anti-tangle system handles heavy shedding. Auto mop lifting protects carpets without manual intervention. Best extended autonomy. Number 3, DREAME D10 Plus Gen 2. 90-day hands-free operation and 285-minute battery runtimes suit larger homes and busy schedules. Best for low furniture. Number 2, Lefant M210. At 2.99 inches tall, it reaches where others abandon. Brushless design eliminates hair tangling entirely. Best brand reliability. Number 4, iRobot Roomba 105. Proven ecosystem with 99% allergen trapping and neat row cleaning patterns. Pick the one that solves your specific headache. All buy links are updated in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos.